Yes, question number 1 is, see a line through point P2 comma minus 3 intersect the line x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, capital A, and line here, okay, and line x minus and line 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 at B, such that P divides AB, the ratio the ratio 1:3 internally, then find the line. So this is the question. So solve this question. See, I will not draw a fair diagram. Just I will draw the rough diagram. Fair diagram is not enough, not required. So what I do is, so the point P minus 2 comma minus 3 intersect the line x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 at A. Suppose this is the line. So this line is L1. L1 is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. The line which passes through point P 2 comma minus 3 intersect this line at A. So this is A. Next, yes. Now this is the point P 2 comma minus 3. And 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 at B. So suppose this is 2x. Suppose this is 2x minus, this is 2x, L2 is equal to 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 at B. It intersect at B such that P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 means P will be somewhere over here. P is 2 comma minus 3. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally. Then it is being asked to find this line equation. Clear? Question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what I do is, to solve this question, our requirement is what? We need to find that line which passes through 2 comma minus 3. That is our question. So here, to solve this question, we can solve this question in 2 ways. So what you do is, you take the point B coordinates in single parameter, that is in terms of the algebraic parameter T. How to take the P points? See, B lies on which line? This 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. On this line, B lies. So now what you do is, how to take the point on B. So on line 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, if x equal to t, then corresponding y value you take. If x equal to t, then what is corresponding y value? Y is equal to what? 2x plus 3. Therefore, 2t plus 3 or not. So this is the point. See, if you substitute this point in this one, it becomes 0. Otherwise, x equal to t I have taken. Corresponding y is equal to what? 2x plus 3, that is 2t plus 3. So I have taken the point on this line in single parameter, that is algebraic parameter, that is t comma 2t plus 3. So now this is the AB. Now if you draw the diagram, here we have, this is A, this is the point P2 comma minus 3, and this is B. B coordinates are what? T comma 2t plus 3. This is given. So what is the question? We need to find this line equation, AB line equation. Yes or no? That is our requirement. So here, to find the coordinate, now to find the line equation, so we have two methods. So method one is, we need to find these coordinates of A coordinates we calculate. So to find the coordinates of A, find the coordinates of A. Find the coordinates of A. So to find the coordinates of A, we have two methods. So method one is, let A be some alpha comma beta. So A coordinates are alpha comma beta. Now from internal division formula, yes or no? For internal division formula, write A alpha comma beta in terms of T. Yes or no? So A lies on L1. Then if you substitute, then corresponding T you get. Yes or no? Internal division formula for what? So this one, this P2 comma minus 3 divides A alpha comma beta and B, that is T comma 2t plus 3, internally in the ratio what? 1:3 or not? Okay. Yes. Let A alpha comma beta. Now P2 comma minus 3 divides A alpha comma beta and B is what? T comma 2t plus 3, internally in which ratio? 1:3 ratio. So internal division formula, if you put, so this is x1 y1 and x2 y2, ratio is 1:3, 1:3, this side like this, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Therefore 2 comma minus 3 is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by, plus internal division formula, m is 1, mx2, x2 is what here? T, mx2 plus n is 3, nx1 alpha by m plus n is 3. Next my2, y2 is 2t plus 3, my2 plus ny1, n is 3 into y1 is what? Beta by m plus n. Oh, sorry, here 4 gada. So 2, 1 plus 3, 4. So now from this one, P2 comma minus 3 is equals to what you get? T plus 3 alpha by 4, comma, this is 2t plus 3 plus 3 beta by 4. Now what you do is, if you equate, then what you get? T plus 3 alpha is equals to 4 to the 8. Therefore 3 alpha is equals to 8 minus t. Alpha is equal to 8 minus t by 3. Next, if we equate the y coordinates, therefore 2t plus 3 plus 3 beta is equal to 4 minus 3 times minus 12. So 3 beta is equals to minus 12 minus 3 minus 2t. So 3 beta is equals to minus 15 minus 2t. So beta is equals to minus 15 minus 2t by 3. Clear? Therefore, what we got? A alpha comma beta is equals to what? 8 minus t by 3, comma, minus 15 minus 2t by 3. So what we got with the internal division formula? We got A coordinates. A coordinates. Alpha comma beta coordinate. A lies on this which line? L1 equals 0. It will satisfy x minus y plus 2 equals 0. So it lies on x minus y plus 2 equals 0. Substitute it must satisfy. Therefore 8 minus t by 3 minus of plus 15 plus 2t by 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is 8 minus t plus 15 plus 2t plus 6 equal to 0. Then what you get? 2t minus t, 15, 23, 29. T plus 29 equal to 0. T is equal to minus 20. Is this okay? Correct? Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
So t is equal to what we got? Minus 29 we got. So t, again you substitute t in what? A alpha comma beta. Therefore, if you put t back in A, then what you get? A coordinates are 8 minus of minus 29. 8 plus 29. 8 plus 29 by 3, comma, minus 15 minus 2 into 29 by 3. So, therefore, A coordinates are 29, 37 by 3, comma, this is minus 15 plus, what is this? 29 2 times, 58, so 58 by 3. That is, A coordinates are 37 by 3, 8 minus 5, 3, 43 by 3. Is it okay? So these
Yes,
are
sir.
the coordinates of A. We got coordinates of A. So our requirement is what? Point A. Line A. So we got 2 comma minus 3 and A coordinates. Therefore, 2-point form. With the help of 2-point form, we write the straight line equation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Y minus y1 is equal to. Therefore, now we will find L. So now we'll find L equation. Equation of line. Equation of line L is equal to 0. So to find that one, we have A 37 by 3 comma 43 by 3 and point P is, what is the point? 1 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3. Therefore line equation is what? 2-point form. So y minus y1 is equals to slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Which form is this? 2-point form. So here x1 y1 y2. Otherwise, you take x1, y1, this one, x2, y2. I will take this as x1, y, because simple point you take as x1, y1. It's better. x1, y1, x2, y2. So y minus y1 plus 3 is equal to m y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, 43 by 3 minus of minus plus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 37 by 3 minus 2 into x minus x1 minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the. So I will give one more method, easy method. Actually, this method is a bit lengthy. So I will give another method. Method 2, instead of finding the using the internal division formula, if you consider the external division formula, then directly you will get A coordinates without solving for this T, alpha and beta. Okay, na? So here internal division formula in method 1, what we have done? Tell me. AP by, here internal division formula, we used AP by PB is equals to what? 1 by 3. Clear? This one we used. But in method 2, what I do is I use external division formula. Here in what I do is A, this P is 1 comma minus 3, sorry, 2 comma minus 3, and B is what are the coordinates of B I have taken? B is B T comma 2T plus 3, sir, no? P T comma 2T plus 3, like this I have taken. So now 1:3. So what I have taken in first method, I consider AP by PB is equal to 1 by 3, internal division formula. So you can write this thing in this case. Now tell me, AP by AB is equal to what? Tell me.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yes or no? Because if AP distance is 1 unit, AB distance is 4 units. Therefore, ratio is 1:2. Means, can we say like this? Now, A alpha comma beta divides beta divides PB external in the ratio 1:4 or not? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, directly we'll get A. You need not solve any alpha beta. So now, what can we say? A alpha comma beta divides A alpha comma beta divides P and B externally in which ratio? 1:3. Now we will use external division formula. Directly we will get alpha beta. Need not solve any equations. So always whenever the situation of this type, instead of using internal division formula, we try to use external division formula. A similar question we solved in division formula. So mx2 minus nx1 by here. So here the points are what? A alpha beta x1 y1 sin b t comma 2t plus 3. This is x2 y2. Ratio is 1:4 like this. Now mx2 minus nx1 by m x2. X2 is what? T minus n. N is 4. X1 is alpha. Oh, sorry. We have taken alpha beta. We should not take. Sorry. External division for this point 2 comma minus 3 and b t comma 2 2. Yes or no? Now these are x1 y1, x2 y2. Now ratio is 1:4. Now directly you'll get alpha beta. Therefore mx2 1 into x2 is what? T. Mx2 minus n x1. X1 is 2 or m minus n 1 minus 4. Next m y2. Y2 is 2t plus 3. M y2 minus n y1. 4 into minus 3 by m minus n. So this is equals to t minus 8 by minus 3. Now this is 2t plus 3 plus 12 by minus 3. That is equals to, if you take out minus common, 8 minus t by 3. Here you will have 2t plus 15 by minus 3. So these are the coordinates of A. Directly we got. Yes or no? Simple వచ్చిన లేదమ్మా. See, here 8 minus, see A coordinates. Here we have done this much algebra to get this coordinates A and B. Okay, na? So here you see 8 minus t by 3. In one step we got 8 minus t by 3 and minus 15 minus 2t by 3. Minus 15 minus 2t by 3. Here minus is taken in numerator. So here in one step we got. Here we have done much algebra. Clear? Idantha avoid chesna. We avoided that algebra.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So now remaining part is same. I will not solve. Remaining part is what? This A lies on the line. Same. Okay. This lies on which line? X minus y plus 2 equals 0. Okay. The remaining part is same.